crazy. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, look at my tree. I miss, yo, look at my stuff. I just had movers come and drop my stuff off. Oh, I miss my stuff so much. You know, my storage unit was pretty clean though, but I was just like, I don't trust it staying in the storage for longer than it needs to stay. So I am currently unpacking. My living room is a mess. I just had them put most of my boxes here because I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I need to go through everything. So I have just like this huge pile in my room. But yeah, today's update is that it is moving day. And we just about to start going through the stuff, cleaning it up, and trying to, I don't know, see what I need, I guess. Oh, I look tired. Jesus. All right. Yeah, so let's get to unpacking.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, y'all, mission 1 is complete. The living room is somewhat cleared out. This is all temporary decor. I don't know if this stuff is gonna stay here. I'm deciding whether I want this couch to stay like this or to turn, like flip it, because these are interchangeable, so I can flip the angle and have like this part here. But I think I'm gonna leave it here for now. I'm gonna turn so you guys can see what I can see. It's real, like, this space is real cute. It's real like intimate. So I still want to keep somewhat of an open floor plan without, you know, blocking entrances and stuff. But I feel like the couch, I don't want to push it all the way back. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out because there's still a lot of space over here behind the couch. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. This table, I'm actually surprised. Well, maybe not. This table was actually like a somebody was moving out their apartment and they was like giving away a lot of furniture, and so the table and chairs was like, I just kind of took it. So I didn't actually pay for these, but I didn't realize how small this table actually was because there's still like plenty of walkway here. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to upcycle the table and, you know, do like a little black marble situation or paint it. And even with the chairs. But I think for now, I'm just going to keep it until I really get like a vision. But it's coming along. I mean, I didn't really have that much furniture in my apartment, I don't think. So like, this is all stuff that came from my previous apartment. So yeah, we're just gonna finish getting all these boxes out of here because I hate clutter, I hate mess. So I'm just gonna put a lot of these boxes go upstairs. So I'm just gonna put the stuff where it's supposed to go. But I mean, we're making progress.
Give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright y'all, so I want to show you all my bed. It's It's so gorgeous, you guys. This bed came from Wayfair, and it has been out of stock for a whole year. It just came back in stock like right before Thanksgiving, and I had to scoop it up. I'm gonna link it down below, but I think it's out of stock again. Okay, this is the taupe color. They have two colors. They have more of like a dark gray, and then they have like this taupe color. This actually looks a little silver, but I guess it really depends on the light, but it is super pretty. And it's velvet, so I'm gonna take you up close. I wanted a bed that was very luxurious, so it's velvet, but I didn't want, everybody has those like upholstered bed headboards, and I just feel like that's a little outdated. There's a lot of modern luxury beds, and so I went with the vertical lines. This is actually a theme that I'm gonna carry out throughout my entire house. You're gonna see a lot of vertical lines in very unique ways, so I'm super excited. Oh, I can't wait till I do like my full house tour so that you all can kind of see it come together. But I did not have the mattress yet. This is a box spring. It's a metal box spring. It actually came from Amazon. It was so easy to put together. So my actual mattress comes tomorrow. So, but this is what we have so far. My furniture did get delivered today, including this rug. This rug is huge, and it only fits in this room. This is like the biggest room in the house. So, honestly, putting this rug underneath this bed is a 2-person job. Actually, it might even be a 3-person job, actually. I can't do it by myself. So what I'm gonna do is try to see if I can find something to clean this. Cause it looks a little just worn. But this is a really good rug. This rug actually came from, it came from someone's apartment. Like, it was, honestly, when I got my apartment, a lot of that furniture was given to me because that person was moving out of the country. So this was one of the rugs. It's actually in pretty good condition, and it's very plush. Like, it just feels really good. So I'm about to go to Target to see if I can get just something just to make the color come back, because I feel like, I mean, obviously it's been rolled up, like I'm unrolling it, but I'm just like, before I put it underneath my bed, let me just clean it. So because yeah, it looks like it's 2 different colors. So I'm gonna try to go to Target, see if I can get, I don't know, some type of vacuum carpet cleaner. I know they have it, I know it exists, so I don't know what I'm looking for, but we gonna find it. And I'll try to clean this. This should be satisfying, actually. Cleaning the carpet. But yeah, so this is what we have so far. This dresser was also given to me by the same person who moved out. Literally all of my furniture is like gifted. So I want the theme of my bedroom, y'all. I don't know exactly, like, I'm not 100% sure how I want it to look just yet. I have some ideas, but I think I want to keep it simple. I'm not going to put a lot of furniture. I will put 2 accent chairs here. I'm going to have wall-to-wall curtains, ceiling to floor, and then I really want the overall bedroom to be neutral in terms of the color scheme. So this black might have to be updated. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I don't know if I want to move this into my closet, because I have a lot of space in my closet, but if I get the pack system in my closet, I'm gonna have to move this, and this is heavy. It's a heavy, sturdy piece of furniture, but it's so good. So I might either paint it or maybe try to do some of the pill and stick wallpaper and see if I could get an interesting, you know, color, and I can cover this in the pill and stick. Just to kind of make it match a little bit more, so it's not, because I think this is the only really dark piece that's going to end up being in here. So I might try to see if I could change the color, but it's a really good dresser. So I mean, if I don't have to buy a new one, you know, why not just utilize it? So yeah, so this is what we have so far. yeah, I don't know when. I don't know if I'm gonna try to just thug it out. It's gonna take me probably like an hour, if not more, if I'm try to roll this under there myself. So I don't know what I'm about to do. I might just wait for like my dad or my brother to come so that they can help. But yeah, this is it. This is the bedroom. Love my bed. Super obsessed. Can't wait to get my mattress so that I can sleep on it and test it out.
You give